Read it yourself. Alice in Wonderland. Alice and her sister were reading a book. Alice saw a white rabbit. "I am late," said the rabbit. The rabbit ran away. Alice ran after him. Alice went down a dark hole. Alice fell down and down. She saw a little door. "You are too big," said the door. Alice saw a bottle. She took a drink and got smaller and smaller. Alice saw two men. "Have you seen the white rabbit?" asked Alice. The man did not answer. Alice saw a little house. She went in. Alice found some biscuits. She took a bite. She got bigger and bigger. Alice found a carrot. She took a bite. She got smaller and smaller. She met a caterpillar. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly and flew away. Alice picked some mushrooms. She put them in her pocket. Then Alice met a cat. He showed Alice where to find the white rabbit. The March Hare and Mad Hatter were having tea. There were lots of teapots on the table. In one of the teapots there was a little mouse. The white rabbit ran away again. Alice followed the rabbit. She met some playing cards. The cards belonged to the Queen of Hearts. Alice and the Queen played a game. The Queen lost the game. She was very angry. The Queen said that Alice must die. But Alice said no. The cat sat on top of the Queen. Alice laughed. The Queen laughed too. Alice took the mushrooms out of her pocket. She took a bite and got bigger and bigger. Then she got smaller and smaller. Alice ran away. The king and queen and all the cards ran after Alice. Then Alice woke up. It was all a dream. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.